Yo, everyone, and welcome back to Rain City. I'm trying to find my sister. That is the canon law of what's currently happening. But I can't seem to find her anywhere. It's currently raining outside, so, it, fits the vibe of, Rain City. Yeah. Also, that's what the background sound is if you hear anything. Yeah, there's no switch to the controller. Alright, bro. Can I not keep going? No. I'ma head out. Bitch, I'm out of here. Show I'm gone. I'm making like your dad after promising to get milk. I'm so funny. Oh, come on, it's not that big of a jump. You're a cat. You always land on your feet. Racist stereotypes, some might say. No. I found out recently that someone did real research on, fucking... Can I get that? No. Did real research on how much fall damage cat can take. That's gonna suck. I don't want to do that. I can already tell that's gonna suck in the future. Anyway, someone did some research on, fall damage of cats. So they, threw them, live cats, I'm pretty sure. Off of buildings. Please don't tell me this is, this isn't true. I want to believe with all my heart that science didn't decide to test that out. Okay, I'm going to get that walkthrough. Hell yeah. You can't stop me cheating. I've got a video to make, bitch. Okay, over here, apparently. What was it? It was, hang on. I got the walkthrough here. It was that one, and then that one again. Is that correct? No, sorry, it was that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. What's happening here? Excuse me? I've got the walkthrough right here. Stop. Good. Oh, good. I'll be taking that. Let's send the car in. Okay, this way. Up a bit. Up. In there. Okay. Yo, a sink? I want my car back. No, what happened? Alright, back to the walkthrough. Alright, so I think I sort of understand... Whoa. I sort of understand what I'm supposed to be doing, which is ideal. That was not what I was trying to do there. Okay, bro. Climb back up. I also know where my car went. I didn't just send it off on a fucking death mission. Okay. I'm feeling pretty confident right about now. See, there's my car. Give me those controls, boy. Okay. Okay. Hang on. This was something I needed to do. Okay. Now get the fuck out of there, kid. Okay. Go. Yeah, still too high. That's fine. Okay, alright. So, now I go back here, right? Go back there. Go back there. Okay, so I go back here. I hop down here like a fucking Chad. Get my car back. Grab this. Dude, I'm so strong. God, I have the power of God and anime on my side. People don't realize it. But I'm actually the most powerful being in the universe. Okay. Why did I do that? I went the wrong direction. Even during a playthrough, after watching a playthrough, I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. Dude, this game is fucking complicated. Like, it like 100% you'd be able to figure out everything, right? If, I'm gonna grab that bit of wood. I'm gonna need that wood later. My sister likes it when I use outside objects. It adds to the fun, you know. The thrill of sleeping with your sister, that kind of just sort of wears off after a while, right? You know what I mean? Okay. Go. You got to shake it up, you know. Keep the relationship feeling fresh. That's right. I needed a fucking. Come on. I need to grab this shit. Dude. I'm pulling so hard. Okay, going up. Much like I'm gonna go up my sister level. Dude. This is the greatest rescue mission you'll ever see. Okay, come on. Go. Wait, I didn't need to do that. I've gone the wrong thing. I mean, I did the right thing. No, hang on. I haven't done the right thing. Oh, I remember. Okay. So then I used this bit of wood, right? Dude, get away from there. I used this bit of wood. Yes. Dude, I'm Jesus. No, stop crawling off that direction, cat. Okay, go up. And then I can get a screwdriver. And with this, another useful tool, when I eventually am able to plushie my sister. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm so funny. Is this still recording? Good. This kind of comedy gold, like, it needs to be documented, you know what I mean? Yeah, get down there, you cat boy. Alright, so just push this over here. Much like... I can't think of a joke. Help. Much like... Dude, this game is totally... Come on. I need the screwdriver. What are you doing? Get down from there. Oh, I need to do it from here. Sure. Why not? My arms are especially long. And then I can get this crowbar. Much like when I crowed the bar. Smash subscribe if you have also crowed the bar. This is a relatable thing. I know everyone can relate to it. Get up there, cat. Get along, little catty. Dude, how good are cats, man? Like, dead ass. How good are cats? I love cats. I keep forgetting what I'm doing. Alright, sweet. That was ideal. Thank you for that. I love going up and down for no needed reason. So then I hop up here. Much like I hopped on my sister. It was fine. She was into it. Okay, sorry. I forgot. Okay, so I chuck the car down here. And, excuse me. Then it can come up here. I love how these people don't even care that there's like a fucking... They just don't care, you know what I mean? It's respectable. Hell yeah. I love that my car can open doors. But no, like, they just don't care that someone's just like, there's this little toy car, like, getting around at their feet. They're like, whatever. Toy cars. And then, because I've got the lever, I can now go up here, go down here, and watch this. I do that. I pull the lever, okay? And then, like, excuse me? Yeah. Then I grab this crowbar and tap it on the gun. Some may say it's overkill. I'm pretty sure, but I feel like it was completely necessary. Let's just pour, like, burning fucking metal on top of this guy. I'm pretty sure my cat character is a complete psychopath. Anyway, the guy has a shower. Can I, like, peep on him? The security officer is taking a shower now. My apologies. Dude, you don't need to apologize for anything. Sure, you assaulted that guy, but that's fine. You know what I mean? And then, check it out. I got a makeover. I'm fucking military cat now, bitch. I'm military cat. I'm dictator cat now. Hey. Wow, you could be a security officer with a frail body like that. How did you pass the interview? Fuck you. How dare you bring up my body? And then I can pass through here. Much like, I don't know. Like whatever, man. Okay, I probably didn't need to do that. I think I may have taken a wrong door there. It's fine. It's fine, don't even worry about it. I'm in control of the situation. How do... Oh, there's another door here. Look. I knew that other door was there, okay? I was just making sure. Okay. And then I'm here. I did it. I made it this far. Smash subscribe right now. I think next time I'll actually probably finish the game. So tune in next time for the epic finale. Unless it's not the finale, in which case just tune in next time. Okay, watch all my videos back.